Hey, her got her ears pierced today. And her did so good. Mama's so proud of her. And see that side? Her did so good. Yes, her did. Hey. Can you do it? Her ears pierced. So pretty. You see this one? So pretty. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Your eyes look brown in the camera. But they're blue, ain't they? Yeah. Let's see. You ready? What? What? Usually you like it when Mama holds you. Hey. Hey. Angel. Hey. Really? Are you being bipolar? Is that what you're doing? Hey. Hey. Look at Mama. Hey. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say we'll see you later. We'll see you later. Mama. Mama. Say we'll see you later.